Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if this is the first video of mine that you're catching, welcome. My name is Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I love purchasing online returns, liquidation, wholesale lots from various online companies, and I sell them online for a profit. So every time I get a new box, I come on this channel, I unbox it live so you guys can all see what these companies are sending out. And then I come back 90 days later, and after I've had a chance to sell everything, I report back, was this actually profitable? Would I order another one of these based on my results? So today we're doing a 90-day update on the Madewell and J. Crew shoes box that I ordered from Boutique by the Box. So if you want to see if I made a profit on this one and how I did, definitely stick around. So I've done so well with all the other Madewell J. Crew boxes from Boutique by the Box. If you've been following along on my channel, you know I've ordered 2 pallets of clothing from them. It's my tried and true, like whenever it's available, I just jump on it because I sell so much of it and it does so well. But this is the first time that I actually had picked up their shoe boxes, and I was a little skeptical because I don't know how Madewell and J. Crew shoes do. I've only been familiar with the clothing. So I was excited to give this a try. So this was a 10-piece box, and I paid $11.25 or $112.50 for the 10 pair. All 10 pair were new without box. Nothing that came in this box was new in box. And of the 10 pair, I was able to list 9 out of 10. I'll link the original video down below if you want to watch it. There was one pair of sneakers that unfortunately there was like blood on the inside, like maybe somebody cut their foot while they were trying them on or something. And I tried to clean it out. I tried peroxide and stain remover, and I couldn't get it out, like not even a little bit. So I didn't feel comfortable trying to sell those, but everything else I listed 9 out of 10. Of the 10 pair of shoes, I have sold 5. I have 4 left, and then 1 did not get listed. So what I will do is I will show you here what has sold. I'll show you how much it sold for and what platform it sold on, how long it took to sell. I'll show you also at the end what has not sold yet. And at the very end, I'll give you my final rundown. I rated this box quite high when I originally did the unboxing. So I guess I had high hopes for this initially after seeing what was inside. So here is what sold. First sale was the Zoe d'Orsay flats. I remember saying in the video, like, I don't know how people can wear these kind of shoes, but I guess they do. These sold in just under 2 months on Mercari for $23. That's fine. I didn't expect a lot for these. And quite frankly, I'd rather sell them on Mercari because Mercari doesn't take a lot of fees. So I was perfectly happy with that. Then there was a pair of the white Moonstone sneakers. So these were actually New Balance, which they must sell New Balance on the J. Crew or Madewell website. So these were not actually J. Crew or Madewell branded. These did take about 2.5 months to sell, but they were a $40 Poshmark sale sold by offer, which means I had them listed for $45. My Posher VA sent a 10% off with discounted shipping offer, which is what my Posher VA is programmed to automatically do. Somebody accepted my offer, and that's where the sale price came from. And the next one was the Vernon Bit Hardware Loafer in True Black. These were the ones that had the heel pads that I had to rip out. They came out quite nicely, very clean, so no issues there. These did take about 2.5 months to sell. These also sold on Poshmark for $61 by offer. There were the knee-high stacked heel leather boots. So these were beautiful. I remember very, very excited about these when I first initially unboxed this. Leather riding boots can be pricey, and in my experience, when you get very good quality ones or ones that are in really good condition, if they're real leather, they do sell pretty high. So these took exactly 90 days. These sold right on the 90th day on Poshmark. Somebody made me an $80 offer. I think initially I listed them way, way higher, somewhere upwards in 200s. But realistically, I will take $80. I paid $11.25 per pair on these. So definitely $80 is still a great sale. And I don't know if you notice here, I've got a lot of shoes that have just come in that I'm working on processing. So it's like, do I accept $80 on these, or do I let them keep sitting here knowing I need room for new merchandise? So I did go ahead and just accept the offer. And the highest selling item on this box actually sold today, the morning before I was making this video. So, hey, it's like 95 days. But since they sold before I made the video, technically I am including them. These are the Maisie ankle strap heels in black. These were J. Crew size 9, and these sold on Poshmark for $82. Somebody bought these outright. I think I had, I listed these much higher too, based on comps and based on the MSRP, and I had lowered the price a few times. I think they dropped to $82 on the last closet clear out, and so somebody just bought them at my full asking price. So even though it wasn't my original asking price, it was still my full asking price, no offers involved, which is very exciting to me as well. So that's what has sold. Here's what's left. I've got the Nelda d'Orsay flats. These were the black leather flats. Those are still here. Those had a price tag on them of like 95 bucks. So they were more expensive than I anticipated, but they haven't had a buyer yet. I've got those Sherpa buckle slipper clog things. These were the ones that didn't have a size. So it's like, I don't have high hopes for anything I try to sell that doesn't have a size. And so I'm not really necessarily surprised that those are still here. There was the Dylan crisscross black heel sandals. These I am surprised are still here. These I really was thinking would sell during summertime, although they are like a dark brown color. So maybe these will sell during fall. I guess in some places it is still warm enough to wear sandals in the fall, or open-toe shoes at least. So maybe these are going to be more of a fall item. And then same with these. These are the suede ankle boots. I don't typically sell a whole lot of suede in the middle of summer. I listed all this stuff at the end of May. So here we are at September at the end of summer. And I don't think all hope is lost for those either. I think it just needs to turn into the right season. All right, so initially I gave this box an oh yeah across the board. Ease of listing, quality of items, and profitability 90 days. I gave it an oh yeah right across the board. After having the chance to sell everything off, ease of listing, I'm still going to give it an oh yeah. It was extremely easy to get this stuff listed. I didn't have to clean anything. I didn't have to repair anything. I did try to save the shoes with the blood on it, but unfortunately that didn't work out. But it was very easy to find the photos and descriptions, you know, with the style numbers. So definitely oh yeah on ease of listing. Quality of items, I'm still going to say oh yeah. Like I said, there was one that was damaged, but everything else was absolutely great. I'm still going to give that an oh yeah. And then profitability in 90 days, I paid $112.50 for the 10. And as of right now, even though I've only sold 5 out of 10, I'm at $228.04 in profit. So if I take that $228 and I subtract out my original $112, I'm still at $116 in profit, which means I have made my money back plus double, and I still have 5 pair left. So that's certainly ideal. I guess the even more ideal would have been that I tripled my money and I have no pairs left, because as a volume seller, I want to sell things off more quickly. But given that I was able to make that kind of profit on only 5 pair, and I still have 4 pair left to potentially get to that triple mark, I'm going to say, yeah, definitely this was an oh yeah across the board for sure. And I will 100% be looking out to see if they get more shoe boxes in. I mostly see them get in the clothing, the apparel, the jeans, the tops, the pants, all that. But if I see them restock the shoes, I'm definitely jumping on it, because this one was certainly profitable for me, and I would absolutely love to have more of these to sell. So definitely let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you ordered one of these and if you had the same results or similar results. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. every time I open a new box, I come back 90 days later with this results video, and I love sharing with you what's working for me, sometimes what's not working for me. And if you want to order from Boutique by the Box, check out their website. I do have an affiliate code. It's linked down below, or if you just type in "Oh Yeah" when you check out, OHYEAH. Their boxes have been pretty consistently good for me lately, and you'll get 10% off your order if you order. So it's always, you know, great to lower your cost of goods a little bit if you can. The code works on pretty much everything except for like the big pallets, but type it in, you know, when you're checking out, and you know, you may find that you'll get 10% off. So hit that like button on the way out too, if you could. That definitely helps out the channel. And that's it for today, friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video.